Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Bentley Bentayga, the V8 engine. This has a clean carfax. And that engine is running beautifully, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. And if any of these LEDs appear to be flickering it does not do that to the human eye. That's the refresh rate of the camera that's bringing us that effect. See, it does have painted alloy wheels. And your dual exhaust. You'll notice this does have the carbon fiber package. There's a spare tire under there. Does have the carbon fiber skirts as well, and the carbon fiber splitter. You see that it does have black quilted leather seats. There are your controls for the rear of the vehicle with 12-volt power, entertainment, heat. So it does have tint all the way around. Here's the VIN here as well, and I will upload still photos as well. See that you do have two driver presets. And this is the 100-year edition. See it? From 1919 to 2019. And as you look at these controls here, you'll notice that this is equipped with massage. And there's your dual panoramic sunroof. As you look down at the bottom left-hand side, you'll see that it has 39,689 miles on this vehicle. Then you have your paddle shifters and your cruise control, your infotainment controls with immediate navigation, push to talk, and volume. And as we come over here, you'll see in the infotainment center that we already have some of these settings open for night vision, for the heads-up display, parking distance control and speed warning, your adaptive cruise control, and the Bentley Safeguard, blind spot monitor, lane assist, distance monitor, and traffic assist. So we'll go ahead and jump over to the settings, where you see that you have system settings, vehicle settings. Go ahead and open those up, and this is where you would configure your lighting, central locking, and your garage door opener, your seats. And then you can go to your tire pressure monitoring and your vehicle overview. This is where you would adjust your ride height. Right now the ride height is set for normal. And then your drive dynamics, you see that it is set for the optimum balance between comfort and performance. Come over to radio. And that stereo sounds amazing, so I'll go ahead and turn that down. We'll jump over to navigation. And you see that it is a 3D topographical map. So you can go to radio only, and there's your information button. And then we can come back here as well. And for sources, you see that you have AM, FM, Sirius XM, jukebox, auxiliary, Bluetooth. And this is where you would also connect to Bluetooth. And your comfort controls are also located down here. You'll see that it has both cooled or heated front seats. And you can change the direction of where you want the airflow to be. I absolutely love that feature. Recirculation, changing the temperatures, of the air introduced. And we'll just go ahead and turn that directly to off. And then your media as well. And if you want to look at the cameras and come down here, take a look at the shifter. It is Bentley branded, and you press that and we'll put that in reverse, and you see that it is equipped with 360-degree cameras, and the cameras can be pointed into various directions, whichever serves you best. And you do have backing guides as well. To place it in park, you press the P, and that puts it into park. It is indicated right here. You have your automatic start stop and your modes for Bentley, Comfort, Sport, Custom. And then you can toggle your automatic start stop on and off, and then that is your push button ignition right there. Down here you have an additional 12-volt power outlet. And as we come up above, you'll have your additional controls, lights, especially your controls for your dual panoramic sunroof. And that about wraps it up for this Bentley on the interior. As I mentioned, this vehicle does have a clean Carfax. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle, so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.